Hey guys, I'm showing you this OneOdio A70 Bluetooth over-ear headphones. These are wireless headphones with a 72 hours playtime with a high resolutions or 3.5 mm jack and also a 6.35 mm. So let's unbox this. So this is inside the box, the tutorial manual. These are the two pairs of the set, like a 3.5 mm, a charging cable, and a 6.35 mm wired audio jack. So it's for the studio monitor and mixing DJ. So it can be used with a computer, laptop, PC, tablet, or anything you want. It's a carry case, waterproof. So it's pretty nice to have. It's a foldable design, as you can see, so it's very portable, take very less space. So let me just take this out and show you everything. So you can see a comfortable cushion on the top, so you can just use it for a long period of time. A very nice logo on the top, and then a really swivel movement, so this can be go like in any way you want. So very nice comfortable cushion for the ears as well. And here is you can adjust the your head height. So it's a jack here, charging cable, USB-C, and then a little lockable one. I will show that a little later on, and the volume up and down buttons and things. So you can use it as a DJ headphone or a Bluetooth headphone. It's a high wearing comfort, as show. You can see like I cannot take it out without have this small thingy. So you have to adjust. So it's pretty nice design. I usually don't see it any other headphones or normal headphones. So you can just put it and this will adjust and not come out. So with this 90-degree swivel and all this different type of audio thing, it's pretty nice and a complete set, and you can do the charging as well. With all this swivel and stuff, as you can see, super soft ear pads, 90-degree swivel ear pads, and adjustable head band. So we have to just adjust it with the Bluetooth. Let's connect it through the Bluetooth first, and then we can have what is the sound quality. So Bluetooth connection is pretty straightforward. I can clearly see OneOdio A70, and I just click and it gets connected. The light indicator will show up if it is adjusted well or connected well. And once this is connected, you can just play the music. So I'm just playing a royalty-free music, so I can just see it here. So from the head, it's really comfortable for the long run. For the music quality, it's really good with a nice bass. I will try to even also show you the quality of the sound or the headphones. Hopefully you can see or feel that. And so my impression is good for the beats and comfortable on the ear and also on the head side. So you can wear it for a longer time, easy to adjust with the air with all this swivel and adjustable thing.